Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video with happiness and education, where everyone learns to smile. Are you ready to embark on a new adventure full of learning and fun? That's great. Today we're gonna read a new story, and this story is called Jerry's Box. It is written by Danielle Erico and illustrated by Helda Clara. Are you ready? One, two, three, go! Jerry woke up on Monday. All right, so looks like he has his own room and he's just waking up, and it's just another normal happy day. He grabbed a box he was keeping under his bed. Ooh, nice room. Look, he's peeking under his bed and looks like he's been keeping it there for a pretty long time. When he came downstairs, his parents asked him what was inside. Something really fun, he said, but nothing more. So when his parents asked him what it was, he just said it's something fun, meaning he wanted to keep it a secret. Jerry walked to his bus stop with the box in his hands. Everybody at the bus stop asked him what was in it. It's very important, he said, but nothing more. So when he went to the bus stop to go to school, everyone asked what it was, but still he gave the same reply, that it's important and it's fun. When he got to school, the teacher asked him what was in his box. It's a secret, he said, but nothing more. Ooh, looks like the teacher's pretty curious. So basically, now everybody is curious that what's in the box, but Jerry wants to keep it a secret. At lunch, his friends all crowded around and asked him to open it. I can't. It's a gift, he said, but nothing more. So, at lunchtime, everyone's asked him to open the box, but still he said no and explained to them that it's a gift and it's special. The box sat with him all day and no one in class could think about anything else. So basically, Jerry's box had become the center of attention. His teacher didn't let Jerry know, but she was curious too. Oh, so, well, that means the box must be really special. That now everybody is curious. And why didn't the teacher show it? Well, she wanted to act mature. Mature means act more serious. She decided to send him to the principal for disturbing the class, hoping to get an answer. The principal asked Jerry what he was keeping in the box. It's not for you, he said, but nothing more. Alright, so the teacher got really annoyed by Jerry's box because it was disturbing the whole class, and he was sent to the principal's office. And when the principal asked Jerry what was in the box, all he said was, it's not for you. Jerry went back to class and sat down. The entire class was watching as he handed the teacher a note from the principal. Well, if it's a gift, Jerry, I suggest you deliver it now. That's what was written in the note. Jerry turned around and faced the class. He walked down the aisle and stopped at the desk of Oscar. So basically, Oscar is his class fellow, and when the whole class and the principal and the teacher are asking him to open the box and give the gift to the person, so he stopped at Oscar's table. Before today, nobody paid attention to Oscar. Nobody even talked to Oscar. And nobody had ever stopped at Oscar's desk until now. Alright, so ever since Oscar joined the school, no one ever talked to him, played with him, or did anything with him. So he was a very alone feeling guy. And nobody had ever came to his desk till yet. Oscar's eyes lit up. Jerry handed him the box with a new note. So Oscar is getting really surprised, as since nobody pays attention to him, this is the first person paying attention to him, so he's really surprised. And Jerry is giving him the box with the new note. Oscar read the note. Dear Oscar, this is my box. Enjoy. P.S. It works better if you don't open it. So basically, he still wanted to keep it a secret, Jerry. And Jerry gave it to Oscar as a gift. On Tuesday, on Tuesday, nobody had more people at their desk than Oscar. So basically, now everybody is interested in him, and everyone wants to be friends so that they can find out what is in the box. The end. So, guys, what we learned that the box was never opened. It was never meant to open. But what Jerry did want to do is he just wanted to change someone's life. Now, thanks to him, Oscar has many friends and he's finally being paid attention to. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed reading the story with me and were able to understand it. Alright, so for more stories, please like and subscribe to this channel so that we can continue to provide educational content for you. Alright, guys, till my next video, it's me smiling and saying goodbye.